talk about being a show-off. Look at him. He's got his broom set.
Yeah.
Sean, okay, there is a legend. There is a legend, urban myth, or whatever you want to call it, that says that on the equinox, the spring and fall equinox, you can make a broom stand up, just like he has. I think that he did this, though, by...
There's no strings, look.
There's no strings, I know, but I think that you just wedged the bristles into there. Okay, so the broom, you know, that's the easy one. But the real test of spring, so you know, is the one to balance an egg, because that's the other one. They say, allegedly, that you, on the equinox, are supposed to be able to balance an egg on its end. I'll tell you what, I had a hard time just getting the egg to stand still, and if this Humpty Dumpty's on me, I'm not cleaning it up. It's all Sean's idea to do this spring stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give her a shot, okay? Okay, it's sitting still. I've got to be ready to do a quick catch just in case.
I'll try not to sneeze.
Oh, yeah, right, okay. See if I can find a little loop in here, right? And come on. Ah, no, it is not going to stay. It's not going to stay. I think that one's an urban myth.
Yeah.
That one is a total urban myth. The egg does not happen. The broom can be done, though. I don't, you know, I mean, the broom is the proof. It's been sitting here for like 5 minutes, and we didn't glue it down because, well, here. See, I mean, it really and truly did.
At my house, this broom would stay like that for months.
You're supposed to use it to sweep.
No, it's just on display.
It's on display. You got a nice little, maybe put a little skirt on it.
See
and
if I can
else
try it again.
They're pretty.
Yeah, it might as well be a lamp or something because, yeah.
I gotcha. Well, you know, we've been asking people on our Facebook page, and a lot of folks have been answering some pretty interesting comments about what they think are spring. Another lady had put on there that she's down to 2 rows of wood in the woodshed for her stove, so she knows it's getting close. Yeah. And a lot of people have said when the skunks return, you're new up here, trust me, Sean, when the skunks return, you will know it's spring, because we got a lot of them. So, yeah, if you want to share some of your signs of spring, just go to our TV6 Facebook page and join the conversation. And coming up, we're going to get some more spring tips. This morning, Andrew Lacombe is on our Do It Ourself Wednesday, and we're going to learn about how to install the kitchen sink. They say it's a few-hour project. We'll see what's if it's true or not coming up.